Well, we're officially off, aren't we, Mum? We're
exciting, eh?
very excited. I'm excited. Where are we going? How long?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. And how long are we going for?
8 nights.
Ooh, 8 nights. A lot of filming to be done. Yes. Oh man. Oh, the ears, man. Alright guys, I want to show you something really cool. Hopefully you can actually hear what I'm saying, but you know when you're on an airplane, you can do the shutters, open and close the shutters to keep the to get the light out of your eyes. Well, this plane has no shutters whatsoever, none. There are no shutters here at all. So the way that this new technology that they've got, they're able to actually adjust the brightness by pushing a button. Here, I'll show you what I mean. The lower the LED is, the lower the brightness will be, and of course the higher the LED, the higher the brightness will be. That's really cool technology. I've never seen this before on an airplane anywhere. Didn't even know it existed. How cool is that? That is so cool. This new technology, I'm pretty sure it has, the window has like an LCD screen. It's like an invisible LCD screen on it. And then when electricity is added to the window, right there, there's the window right there. So when electricity is added to the window, it's able to tint the window extremely dark or really bright depending on the setting that you click on.